Hello, everyone. I'm Reza from Fidesinnova. Fidesinnova is a decentralized physical infrastructure network for Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT devices like a smartwatch, drones, or cameras are part of our daily lives. Right now, there are 17 billion IoT devices around the world carrying critical information like biosignals, safety, and security. And this number will reach to almost 30 billion IoT devices by 2030, almost doubling. But there is a challenge in existing IoT ecosystems, lack of trust. When you are using a Google Nest or AWS IoT systems, you think when you are sending information from your IoT device, it directly goes to your computer or mobile device. But in fact, the data goes to a central server and then comes back to your mobile device. We know that there is always a chance that the the server admin change your data. Also, maybe your device get hacked, so you cannot trust to the data that you receive on your mobile device. So, what's the solution? Fidesinnova provides a solution called Zero-Knowledge Internet of Things. This concept is formalized by Stanford University 3 years ago, and we are the first company bringing this concept to the market. Using ZK IoT, we guarantee that the firmware which is executed on a computer or on an IoT device is done correctly. Therefore, you can trust to the generated IoT data. This ecosystem is reviewed by other experts, and our paper is published in IEEE International Conference on Blockchain and Cryptocurrency. How ZK IoT works? First, if you are an IoT manufacturer, we get a copy of your firmware. Actually, we provide the tools, we don't get the actual copy of the program, and create a mathematical model of your program, submit it on blockchain. Later, IoT device send their data to the database with a piece of a cryptographic form called ZKP, and later, if someone wants to use this information, using our proof verifier simply can understand whether this data is coming from a correct source or not. There are wide use cases for ZK IoT technology. Assume autonomous vehicles which using our ZKP technology and guarantee that they are not compromised. Or sensors, let's say in oil and gas industry, can certify the accuracy of their readings. Finally, in healthcare sector, pharmaceutical companies can define some incentive programs to encourage people to share their biosignals anonymously, which helps research centers and maybe save lives. What have we developed so far? We developed almost all the required components for this architecture, including our ZKP framework and ZKP system. More importantly, we implemented this technology on several hardware through our partnership with other companies like door sensor, motion detector, thermometer, hygrometer, and a smart button. Actually, this is a disruptive technology because whatever this device generates, it can guarantee that it cannot be hacked and coming from a right source. Our team is moving fast. In next 2 months, we are launching our testnet, and early in 2025, we will switch to mainnet. Fidesinnova using FDS token to facilitate exchanging IoT data and service development. Also, all our 4 founders received their PhD from top-ranked universities in Canada and the USA. And in total, they have more than 100 papers in top-ranked journals and conferences in blockchain, IoT, machine learning, and ZKP. Right now, we are seeking to raise $2 million in return of a 20% stake in Fidesinnova, and mainly we are going to use this for marketing and partnership. Thank you so much for your attention. Join Fidesinnova to become the next architect for the next 30 billion IoT devices around the world.
Yeah, thank you for the pitch. I wanted to understand, are you building your own custom sensor or are you using off-the-shelf devices?
No, actually those devices, those sensors that you saw is coming from our partnership with other companies.
Okay.
We provide the ZK IoT technology and the main components for the blockchain. The interesting things about our solution is we are not limited to a specific hardware. Whoever wants to use our technology, use one of our tools, which is called Commitment Maker. Create a commitment. Commitment Maker is get the high-level program and creates a mathematical model of that program. In ZKP, it's called commitment, and then we submit a commitment on the blockchain. Commitment does not reveal anything about the firmware or the code, but it guarantees if in future someone uses that code and generates something, for sure it's coming from this commitment program.
How compatible is it? Like, if you work with different industries, are you guys the one who are integrating that sort of solution, or they have to implement something to be able to make that commitment?
Sorry, who?
Are you guys integrating that? Are you working with clients directly to make sure everything is compatibly aggregated?
We are automating our system. So if someone wants to use our system, they can, because it's open source, they can download our commitment. The commitment approach is published in our paper. There are several approaches in the world. As I said, Stanford University started the first approach, and we developed the next version. So companies simply can get our commitment protocol. Even they want, they can write another version of our commitment algorithms. The main thing is they just have to submit their commitment on our blockchain.
Thank you.
Yes, so I suppose the success of your business relies entirely on the commercial agreements with hardware partners. So can you give us a little idea of what sort of market testing you've done, what collaboration commitments you have so far, and what do those commercial agreements look like? Are they licensing agreements or some other business structure?
Yes, actually we have approached several companies, especially in oil and gas sector. It seems there is a huge opportunity there, and we don't charge them. Actually, we encourage them just come to our platform, because the model that we are going to generate revenue is from the transaction that we got from our blockchain. Yeah. Thank you.